Here I have LG K8 2018, and let me show you how to accomplish here removing the battery. So let me show you how to force restart. It's really useful when your device is frozen or just hangs. So all you need to do is open the back cover. Let's do it by using the following cavity right here. Let's do it step by step, and now you are able to remove your battery by using this cavity right here. So let's remove the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds just to reset your device. Then put back the battery. Close the back cover protection, press power key to turn on the device, wait a couple of seconds. Right now you can start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.